Hello everyone, my name is Amit Sarda, and in this video we are going to review OpenPhone. I'm a CRM consultant and I get this question very often. Uh, my clients are looking for telephony apps that help them make calls, send texts, receive calls, and collaborate with their team for inbound and outbound calls. Uh, and OpenPhone is one of the solutions in the market that does this really well. Before we look at the features that make OpenPhone stand out, I'm going to quickly show you this comparison that I made uh, between the top choices for telephony or VoIP or calling or texting apps in the market. The two serious contenders that I consider for OpenPhone are Crisp Call and Just Call. And when it comes to feature set, obviously the feature set is a lot more exhaustive. But across these major features listed in this table, you will see that OpenPhone scores really well across all the uh, features. In terms of pricing, OpenPhone is the cheapest solution on the market, except for the starting plan for OpenPhone. It is the cheapest plan across all tiers for all the softwares being compared in this particular table. In terms of reviews, OpenPhone again scores the best as compared to all the other software in the market in this particular table. And as far as platform availability is concerned, except for Linux, OpenPhone is available on all platforms, and which will make most of the users or most of the salespeople very happy. Now, here is a specific landing page for people visiting OpenPhone using my affiliate link. And by affiliate link, I mean that if you click on this link and sign up for OpenPhone and become a paid customer of OpenPhone, I will receive a commission at no additional cost to you. In fact, you get an added perk where you get 10% off for your first 3 months if you sign up using my link. Now, in terms of the winning features or the features that make OpenPhone stand out as compared to its competitors, the first one is absolutely modern design. In fact, the design is more modern than some of the CRM solutions that are popular in the market. This is a mock-up of what the interface inside OpenPhone looks like on the web, and you will notice that this is far more customer friendly and UX friendly to use. Another big advantage of OpenPhone is the fact that you don't need you don't need to spend additionally on hardware or software. And there are three examples of this. So you can install OpenPhone app on your phone. It makes your it makes your phone a soft phone, which means that you can install OpenPhone on your personal phone and continue to receive incoming calls as well as make outgoing calls using your business phone number. Another advantage is that you can port numbers to OpenPhone, so you don't have to change your phone numbers on your website, in your ads, in your directory listings, or anywhere like that. So there is a massive advantage in bringing your existing numbers into the OpenPhone ecosystem. Additionally, you can also buy phone numbers on the fly, which makes it a really good deal for people. So you save on hardware, um, just because you don't have to have another phone to make and receive uh, business phones business calls. Another added advantage is that OpenPhone also generates AI transcripts and AI summaries automatically, and that feature is baked into the product itself. Typically you would be required to have a meeting an AI meeting assistant kind of an app, and that's another software expense that OpenPhone saves you. Even if you don't consider those kind of apps, the fact that it makes it easier to record your calls, transcribe your calls, and summarize your calls, it's a huge saving in terms of data entry into your CRM. And your salespeople as well as your customer support people are absolutely going to love this feature. Another saving is in terms of text expander apps. So OpenPhone has this feature called snippets, where you can configure keyboard shortcuts to send standard responses when you're chatting with customers. So, for example, I use an app like TextBase. Although I am using the free plan, if I were using it for uh, business conversations, I would require many number of snippets, and that would make me buy a text expander app or a TextBase subscription. So I'm saving on that as well. Also, uh, being able to port your existing numbers is another saving. So coming back to the original point about OpenPhone saving you different kinds of additional expenses is another advantage of using OpenPhone. Now, another advantage of OpenPhones is that you have a very consolidated view for sending and receiving messages, and also doing this in a team context. So, for example, OpenPhone has this concept of threads where you can collaborate with people and respond to comments collaboratively. You can text as a single voice with an external user, and then you can view all conversations in a single view. That makes it a unified conversation. So your call logs, call recordings, transcribed voicemails all appear alongside your text in a to make it a very seamless conversation. There's also this concept of auto replies and business hours in OpenPhone, and this is applicable for both texting as well as calling. And that makes it a very good solution to have in terms of maintaining work life balance for your sales team as well as your customer support team. Another feature that OpenPhone has is of IVRs. So you can set up smart routing based on the kind of queries your callers may have. And IVR again, uh, if you configure it smartly, it is an absolutely amazing feature to not boil the entire ocean when you receive an incoming call. So you can have a phone menu, you can have you can transfer calls, you can forward calls, you can set up ring orders to manage the load effectively between your team members. There's also this feature of group calling, which is again amazing, and you also have the ability to record calls with customers. Another feature that I wanted to discuss was the concept of APIs and integrations. So, if you look at integrations, OpenPhone directly integrates with a number of solutions in the market, and the number of solutions is still growing. So, it already integrates with HubSpot and Salesforce. It integrates with Zapier and Make, which opens up more than 5,000 different types of apps that you can integrate OpenPhone with. It integrates with Slack and Gong as well for uh, conversation intelligence data. If these standard integrations are not enough, then OpenPhone also has Open API, which allows you to use API endpoints to connect it with any different kind of app and set up an automation using Zapier, Make, or let's say Relay.app as well. So this makes OpenPhone an absolutely amazing platform for calling, texting, IVR, incoming calls, a call center kind of a setup. And the use cases are going to be across sales, support, and recruiting. And it's applicable for startups and small businesses and different kinds of industries as well. So I suggest taking OpenPhone for a spin. Uh, the fact that they offer a 7-day free trial makes it a no-brainer. And once you experience this UX, it's going to be hard for you to like any other solution in the market. So give OpenPhone a try. I think it's a wonderful solution, and it works really well with your existing systems like CRM and ticketing software. So I'll share a link for the special offer that I have for my readers, and the page to start your 7-day free trial. If you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.